Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for the month of December, and I just recently got this yesterday, but I was out of town yesterday so I couldn't unbox it, but I am going to unbox it and hopefully upload it today. And just to get a few things out of the way, my box does weigh 0.95 pounds, and we're just gonna open this thing up. So the first thing you see when you open the box is the card, of course. So this month's theme is "'Tis the Sea Sun." So it's like a tropical theme still, but it's the holidays, it's December, Christmas, all that. So it's a little flamingo with a Christmas hat, which is super cute. And we have a total of 5 things. Now, I did look at this card previously because I needed to know what makeup to put on and what not to put on so I could try everything out. But we do get 5 different products. And I got the 5th version, it says. So it has the little heart with the 5 right there. So I got version number 5, which is weird because I always get version number 1, so this is a different version. So how this is going to work, I'm basically just going to show you guys the products, tell you how much they were worth and all that stuff, and then I'm going to try on most of the products, show you guys how they perform, and move from there. So we're just going to go with the first thing we see, which is this, and this is the Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. And this retails for $30, and it is supposed to draw out dirt and impurities from your pores. So this is a pretty good size. It brings 1.3 ounces of product, and obviously I can't try this on right now because I have makeup, like I've said in my previous videos when it comes to masks and stuff. But I will be trying this out and letting you guys know. Moving right along, we're going to go to the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint in the shade Insta Famous. So this retails for $20, and this sheer lip gloss. Oh, it's a lip gloss. Okay, so I thought this was going to be like a last lip paint we got, that it was like a liquid lipstick. So I'm very excited because I have been loving lip glosses lately. I don't know why. I think it's because of my sister-in-law. She's been getting me into lip glosses, and I was like a huge matte person, but I can't live without a good gloss now. I don't know. So hopefully this is good. I'm excited. So it is a shimmering glitter gloss, and it delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, high shine finish. This is beautiful. So it has like pink and purple and gold shimmers. I will show you that once it's on my lips because you probably won't be able to see it on my hand, but the glitters definitely come through. They're beautiful, and anyone who knows me knows I love glitter, so I'm excited to try that out. And moving on to our next product, we have the Bodyography Heatherberry Lip Pencil. This retails for $12. So this is vegan and cruelty free. It is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E, and it is long wearing. So moving along to our 4th product in the box. This is from Wander Beauty, and it's Wanderlust Dusk Till Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. So this retails for $26, and this is a Boxycharm exclusive. So this is what it looks like. Okay. I can tell you right now, that is not a highlighter on me. But it might do well as a good eyeshadow color. But for sure not a highlighter. And last but not least in the box, this is the Protégé palette from Suva Beauty, and this retails for $34. It is a versatile, warm, and cool-toned palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. So maybe I can get a highlighter from this and use it. Let's see. Let's open it up. Oh! Okay, wasn't expecting that at all. Okay. So you can basically do 2 different looks here. You can't really, I mean, you could experiment, but not really. I was expecting a little more from this palette. I don't know. I feel like this color choice is, it's not the best. we'll try it out. I can't speak before I use it. So I'm just going to start by prepping my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape like I always do to give this palette a fair chance. Alright, so I'm just going to take my palette. And I guess we'll go for the cool tones just because this is more on the cool tone side. So I'm going to go in with Poetic on a fluffy brush from Morphe. This is the E27. And this has a lot of kickback. So we'll see. We're just going to buff that into the crease. So I'm just assuming that this color is supposed to be more of a setting your base color. But they don't really give me a crease color to work with, so I'm just assuming they also want us to use this for the crease. I've been putting this eyeshadow on for a good minute, and nothing's really building. Like, you can slightly, ever so slightly, see the difference between this eye and this eye. I'm not enjoying this so far. I don't really see a payoff, and there's like powder all over it because I can't touch it without having some crazy kickback. Okay, so that's, I think, about as much build as we're gonna get out of it. So we're gonna take next the aesthetic color and ever so slightly work that up and try and build a blended look to this. So we're gonna get my Morphe E22 brush. It's just a smaller blending brush. I'm gonna just, because I want to see how pigmented it is first, so I'm gonna lightly tap it, and slowly work that in. I'm really trying, guys, but this is not working out for me. This is extremely patchy. Like, extremely. I don't know if you guys could tell. But, this is just not good. I'm not liking this palette. But we must continue. So I'm going to use the shade Structure and pack that onto my eye. So we're done with this palette. I'm not going to try one of these highlights on because that is way too gold and that is purple. So that is not happening. Let's move on. We're going to try the Dust to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. So we're going to go into Tuscan. So I ended up mixing the two blushes, and I like them a lot. I think they have a really pretty color. This one has a very nice golden sheen to it. It's nothing overpowering. The only thing is that some of my texture right on my cheek area, right here, becomes a little bit more prominent. Let me zoom you guys in, see if you can tell. So just right in this area, my pores look a little extra large. Right here as well. Also, if you guys can tell how the eyeshadow's looking, not the best. Not the best. I do like this shade a lot. It did not overexpose my texture. Just because it's a little bit matter, it doesn't have as much sheen into it. So keep that in mind if you have bigger pores like myself. And if you don't, you should be fine. I am going to take next the lip liner and just line my lips. I'm basically going to fill in my lips because I have a lip gloss and it'll look weird if I just line them. So the only thing, I do like how this applies and I love the color. It's just not as smooth as I would like it. But then again, it is a new pencil. You have to wear it down a little bit. But I like it overall. So we're going to go in with the Tarteist lip paint, shimmery lip paint. I like it a lot. Those, because the glitters are like subtle, but they give your lip like a little extra juiciness, you know? Oh, I like it. I like it. So this is a win for me. This is a win for me. This is a, maybe I'll pick it up. Maybe when I'm traveling because it's smaller. But I wouldn't reach for this. And I hate this. I know hate is a strong word. I mean, at least the colors I tested, I absolutely hate. I have to try these, give these a fair shot because I do love colors like this. And it looks pretty. So, let me swatch it. Yeah, so its swatch is really pretty. Let me see how this one swatches. So this one's already a little powdery, but yeah, that one swatches beautifully too, but it doesn't look beautiful on my eyes. So I have to play around with these colors just to give the whole palette a fair shot, but this row right here, no. And I have to let you guys know about this product right here, but let's get on to tallying up how much this box was worth. So this month's box was worth $122. I personally do not like this box, and as I said, personally, I do not like this box. I would not use this, but I would like these two. I love these two products. Can I go without this? Probably, yes. It's not life-changing, but then again, this box is to try new makeup every month, and who knows? You might love this palette, and you might love this blush palette. But for me, it was a miss this month. Like I said, you'd have to try it. Also, I only got one version. I don't know what the other versions include. They may include different products every month, so maybe I just didn't get the right version. Well, I mean, I got the right version for me, but maybe I would have preferred a different version, but that's kind of what you get when you have a subscription box. You don't really know what you're getting. You kind of just hope for the best, but yeah, this month was kind of a dud for me. Well, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you have not already, and leave me a comment telling me which is your favorite and which is your least favorite product in this month's box, and what else you're excited for in the new year. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!